So here's how to condition your polymer clay. Open up your packet, use a pair of scissors to do this. This comes in two handy sides, so I'm just going to open up one of those. Now, if this is the first time you've seen polymer clay, get it out of the packet and you can see it's actually really brittle when you break it. It's not really soft. So what we need to do is condition this, and the word condition means basically make it soft so we can work with it. It's a bit like rolling pizza dough or using plasticine. You need to warm it up in your hands by any means possible. I like to use the palm of my hands to roll it into like a sausagey shape and squeeze it. It's also really good to have a work surface nearby that you can roll it onto, give it a squeeze here and there. Also have your rolling pin nearby as well, but just keep going. Now this is a real-time video, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you the techniques that I use to roll out polymer clay. It takes, I would say, around 5 minutes. So if you keep watching, I'm going to speed up from here so you can see the sort of techniques that I use. So now after all that hard work, the clay is fully workable. As you can see, I can roll it out really easily. It should peel off fairly easily. Don't worry if you get bits, we can talk about that later. But essentially, the clay is nice and soft and easy to use. If I break this in half, it won't have any bits inside it. It will be completely smooth. And this is your workable, conditioned polymer clay.